paper planes! Let's make a butterfly watch today. For this, we will require origami papers and sketch pens. Let's start by making the butterfly's body. Now, it's time for us to cut it. So, let's make sure that we start cutting right on top of the border. Yes, the one which we have made with our sketch pen. Once we are done with cutting this, we will start cutting two beautiful wings for our butterfly. You can use attractive colors to make the wings. Why don't we make a 3 and a letter B for the wings? After that, let's put some glue on the wings and start putting circular cutouts on that. Yes, let's use attractive colors for this. We can use big and small circles for the same. Now, why don't we make 2 eyes? This looks lovely. Now it's time for us to bend the 2 wings and then start making the legs. For the legs, why don't we have 6 strip cutouts? Yes, let's fold this like a fan and stick the legs. Why don't we do the same thing with all these strips? Just fold it into a zigzag and we are done with the legs. Now, let's flip the butterfly and make the watch's hand. After that, it's time for us to stick this. So, let's start sticking the legs. This looks great. Did you see how we made the watch hand? Yes, we just looped the paper over and made it. And well, this is done. Why don't we wear it nicely? This looks lovely. Let's see how our butterfly is flying. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. I hope you had a lot of fun, friends. And for those of you who don't know me, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car, Bubbles. See you next time.